What is going on? This is a stock market recap for Wednesday, May 14th, and we had an inside bar on the day and a bit of a reduction in volume. If I was to guess, we're probably going to see daily consolidation here soon at some point, but we are still in daily bull flag nonetheless. We are still looking good. We'll see if this previous resistance comes into play in the future, but everything is good. Like, we've made plenty of room for a higher low on the way back down. And yeah, if everything's pointing up to me, there's no reason to be looking down at this point. Like, we are definitely getting a bit hot on a lot of time frames, but on like on the 4 hour, well, we cooled off a bit actually. But yeah, we can just keep going up. Like, there's nothing stopping us. We can just continue this daily uptrend all the way up, back up to all-time highs. So it's good to position yourself. Wait for maybe a red day or a couple of red days to position yourself into something, and that's like especially a name that's in all-time highs would be preferred. Today, 38 names made new all-time highs. Nothing really notable. There was only like one name I added to my list. Palantir's already on there. I can't remember what it was. It was like CRWV. Yeah, CRWV, this name here. That was the only one I really added to my list of top watch names. Besides that, it was just a pause day, so nothing really to report. Nothing significant. Nasdaq getting even better day, broke the high of yesterday. The Dow seeing 3 days of consolidation now, or 2 days of consolidation. Now we're into the third day. We're still holding above the daily 8 and 12 moving averages. We have lots of room to set a daily higher low than 40,076 on the Dow. The Russell holding up a bit better than the Dow. Lots of room as well. Still just daily bull flag. So everything's looking good. Plantr, new all-time high. A little bit of an upper wake of profit taking, so caution on that. I'm still very much interested in this name. So everybody's looking at Plantr. It's on everyone's sites, so who knows what if this might just go on another huge run. We will see, but it's definitely poised to do well, being an AI and a tech AI and data analysis name. So yeah, I mean, actually, sorry, yeah, as long as the hourly uptrend is up, nothing to worry about there. But yeah, we've made lots of room for a daily higher low on the way down, so consolidation will be coming probably sooner than later, but we will see. APH looking good, another new all-time high. New all-time high yesterday. Inside bar on the day today, very small range. That was the thing on the S&P, a very small range on the whole day. We're definitely coming into some pretty tightening ranges going into tomorrow. And also we've got PPI numbers tomorrow. I forgot to mention that. I said it wrong yesterday. PPI data is actually coming out tomorrow morning, first thing, an hour before the open. So that's going to move the market, and that might put us into some daily consolidation here. But we will see. Could be bullish. Yeah, but APH. I have alerts for hourly and 4 hour, possibly 15-minute pullbacks. We'll see. Palantir, 15-minute pullback I've got marked as well, and that's just looking for that 4 hour higher low. Microsoft right underneath all-time highs, like right there. So we are a bit extended. We're daily overbought for sure. I would be cautious buying at this point. I would be waiting for a pullback at this point, but maybe even taking profit at this point. This was quite a massive move there. Visa looking up at the all-time highs. Inside bar on the day. We're in a double inside bar, so yeah, we will find the conclusion of this tomorrow, and probably going to break pre-market, so that's going to be tough to play. But right underneath all-time high. AVGO right underneath, getting close to the all-time high as well. So we're just underneath resistance right now, 237.93. And we'll see if we have to set a daily high or low, but there's plenty of room for that on the way down. Again, inside bar. Most names are inside bars. Monster looking for its daily high or low. Still got two days of consolidation now. Still above the 8 and 12 moving averages, so that looks good. And then we're just, when we find our high or low, we're just looking at all-time highs. IBM just under resistance as well. Getting extended though. Actually, not that extended on the daily. The 4 hours a bit extended. Yeah, I'd be looking for a daily high or low at this point, and I would want to see hourly oversold mark that. Nvda, big bullish candle, closing at the high, looking really bullish at this point. Looking at this resistance here at the low 140s. Lots of room for a higher low when we start daily consolidation, but yeah, looking good. We might be heading into earnings run here, so, but also we are getting overbought on the daily, so not a good time to be buying at this point. This is when you want to be unloading a bit and taking profits on the way up if the further we go. Nflx, daily bull flag trying to confirm, or actually this would be a weekly bull flag trying to confirm at this point. Looking back up at the highs. So Nflx looks good. That 1 hour, like this is what I'm saying, that 1 hour oversold from here, that first 1 hour oversold from the all-time high here, it ended up, now we're looking back up. So that's why I buy these conditions. First all-time high, or straight from all-time high, buying the higher or hourly oversold. Spotify still bouncing on the daily. We've bounced enough that it's not a daily bear flag, but we need to make more room. Odds do favor a higher low at this point than the all-time high, and we'll see where that comes from. But still bouncing, closing better and above the 80 MA now. That looks good. Meta just continuing its push towards all-time highs as well. We do have a resistance coming up here, 680s and the 680s, but lots of room for a higher low on the way back down. So looking really good. Looking for hourly oversold. That could mark the daily higher low. Coin seeing continuation after its big S&P inclusion. So closing near the high, so that looks good. Lots of room for our daily higher low when that happens. And we are looking up in the low 310 to the low 300s range. But yeah, chances are we will probably see a daily higher low consolidation at some point, but still elevated volume for sure though. Tesla, now we're looking up at this 367 resistance here. We've made huge room here that we can see a higher low on the way back down. Hopefully we don't have to come back and retest this, but yeah, looking a lot better. Big volume behind this as well. This is huge volume. So I think Elon stepping down from his main role in Doge there we're seeing the benefit now, and things are looking a lot better. I'd be looking for a daily higher low at this point. Apple still hanging out at this resistance here, 214.56. So we haven't an indecision doji candle right now, but closing above the 50. We'll see if we end up seeing this equilibrium play out. Hopefully not. And yeah, but odds do favor a higher low on the way back down. And yeah, looking pretty good at this point. We have an equilibrium going into tomorrow. The outcome of that will probably decide if we can break resistance or not. Google coming right up to the resistance. Did we break it? 168.34. So we broke it with no follow through at this point. So that's a caution to the bulls. Caution that this could be a fake out and we could end up rolling over here. But this is quite a big candle to start see a daily consolidation from. we might just tighten up at this point, but we're definitely seeing some hourly consolidation right after that breakout. We're seeing hourly consolidation, still an hourly bull flag at this point. So as long as we can keep that hourly uptrend, we're golden on Google. Amazon, bit more consolidation today. Oh, sorry. Still a daily bull flag. It started its daily consolidation though. Lots of room for a daily higher low. We don't want to see this head into gap fill territory ideally, but that's always a possibility. When you have these giant gap ups, they like to fill and then go. So yeah, caution on that. But at this time, still healthy consolidation. We just don't want, from this level, we just don't want to lose the 0.382. Ideally, we hold above 203 at this point. But yeah, could easily come retrace and close that gap. Decrease in volume does look good though. That is a good look. BABA getting above this resistance here. Indecision candle right at it though, so a breakout with no follow through at this point. It's hard to play these names when it's just so choppy. Big gaps everywhere because it trades on the Chinese platform as well. So earnings is going to dictate, which is pre-market tomorrow. That's going to dictate whether we head back up to the highs or maybe we consolidate a bit. AMD, big gap up, huge volume, closing at the low, or close to the low, so not that good of a look. We might be coming to back test this range, but we've made tons of room for a higher low. So, and we are getting into daily overbought, which is the first time, I mean, since here we kind of hit it, and then our all-time high way back here. So who knows? Maybe this is the bears' opportunity to catch a monthly lower high. So caution. This is not a place where I would be buying. I would want to see a pullback and have closer to the 8 and 12 moving average at least on the daily. RGTI, big day today, up 18%, keeping this daily uptrend. So when I said this yesterday, there's a big gap down. I said there's still room for them to save the daily uptrend, which they absolutely did with volume. This volume's huge. I don't like the upper wick, but the volume is big compared to a lot of the volume recently. So good chance we do see higher prices, but not guaranteed. But when you see that type of volume supporting a move, that is a good look. And we did break through resistance there, but just no follow through. So overall, yeah, slow day in the market. Small ranges for most names. And looking, yeah, PPI data coming out tomorrow morning, hour before the open, will dictate a lot of the direction here. Whether we get daily consolidation or if we make our next move up. All right, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.